Hey there, boys and girls. Welcome to today's little diorama where we're going to be showing you how to dry brush this black piece of foam and turn it into a more realistic looking roadway or pavement or whatever it is you want to call it. The thing is in front of your doorway, the thing you step onto that's not dirt. But before we do that, I want to show you the trim pieces or the accents that we added on just earlier today, which is our pillars, our concrete pillars, and the accents above the garage doors. So that's one pillar, the second pillar, and that's the accent over the garage door, and those are painted in a color I think called granite gray. Once we did that, we also did the wall on the side, and putting it all together with the blues and the other stuff, we noticed that the floor or the roadway just wasn't the right color or a color that I liked. So we're gonna dry brush some black into it and turn it into something that is more to my taste. So here on the left you see that we have one that's already done. Here's the one in the middle that we started. Here's the third piece that's already done that we need to match up. So without further ado, let us get into dry brushing and making this more realistic. So here we go. Of course you need a brush, a napkin, and some paint, a little bit of water, mix it all up, and then away we go. First you want to get as much paint off as you can. And if you don't, it's really not a big deal because you can work your way around it, because it's paint. You can add more, you just can't take away. So that's the only sense in which you want to be a bit careful, is as to how much paint you have on the brush, so it's more of a dry brush than a wet brush. So as you can see, we've done it several different directions. We are tapping it or spackling it, and we are just working that little bit of paint into our area that we have here on the foam that we want to make a bit more black and a lot less whitish gray. So there she is. This is the second dry brushing of this area. We're probably going to putting 2 more coats on there to get to exactly where we want it to be. And yeah, so that is what I want to show you today, which is again the beginnings of my diorama, my 110 or 112 scale diorama, and I hope it has been helpful. Any questions or comments, please place them in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe, click like, share, and of course absolutely hit the little bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Until next time, this is me here at Little Diorama saying be good at it, and we'll see you then. Take care.